In October 2025, a workplace incident occurred at a construction site in China during routine excavation activities. A hydraulic excavator was operating as part of normal earth-moving work when its bucket unexpectedly detached from the boom. At the time, a male worker was positioned nearby, performing site-related tasks. The detached bucket fell and struck the worker. Other workers in the vicinity immediately moved toward the area to provide assistance while operations were halted. All attachments on heavy equipment must be subject to verified locking mechanisms and documented pre-operation inspections before work begins. Quick coupler systems, pins, and retention devices should be checked by both operators and supervisors to confirm secure engagement, and exclusion zones must be maintained around active equipment to limit exposure if a component failure occurs. At a container handling yard, a workplace incident occurred involving a mobile loading vehicle operating within an active work area. During routine material movement, the equipment made contact with a male worker who was on foot nearby. The worker was reported injured during the incident and was transported for medical treatment. Despite response efforts, the event resulted in fatal outcomes. Work areas with moving industrial vehicles require strict separation between mobile equipment and pedestrians. Clearly marked pedestrian routes, controlled access zones, and enforced exclusion areas around operating machinery significantly reduce risk. At a textile manufacturing facility, a routine operational task was underway, involving a worker operating a large textile roller machine. The equipment was functioning normally, and the production line was proceeding as scheduled. At one point, while performing routine adjustments near the roller, the worker inadvertently came too close to the moving components. His hand made contact with the rotating roller, resulting in an immediate entrapment. Colleagues nearby reacted quickly, attempting to stop the machine, but the incident had already occurred before the equipment could be fully halted. Rotating machinery presents a significant risk of entanglement, even during routine operations. Workers should maintain a safe distance from moving rollers and always use tools or devices designed for adjustments instead of direct hand contact. Proper machine guarding, regular safety audits, and ongoing training on safe operational procedures are essential. Additionally, establishing clear emergency stop protocols and ensuring immediate access to shut-off controls can reduce the severity of injuries if an incident occurs. Maintaining vigilance and adherence to standardized safety practices is critical to protect personnel in industrial manufacturing environments.